Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A25 Wi-Fi calling drains the battery issue. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down and here turn on the flight mode, and after a few seconds turn it back off. It will fix your problem, but if it doesn't fix your problem then open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on battery and device care. Now here scroll down and click on software update, and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. And after updating the software your problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.